Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our stunning Estoril blue BMW 125iM Sport Automatic. As you can see, stunning Estoril blue, over £5,500 worth of factory options on this car. First thing you would have noticed, it does have the LED daytime running lights with the upgraded xenon headlights. We're just going to move around the car, pop in through the driver's window. It's got the upgrade full Dakota leather, which are heated as well, the front seats. It also benefits from the premium hardened carbon sound system, electric folding mirrors. It's got the auto lights and the rain wiper sensors, which is part of the comfort pack, which gains you rear parking sensors. Unmarked 18-inch M spoke double alloys all the way round. And as we move away, panning out, you'll see it also has the privacy glass on the rear. It has the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel on this with the paddle shift, which is another option on the car. As I said earlier, and I will repeat, over £5,500 worth of options. Car is absolutely stunning, and hopefully you can see that in the film. All the wheels, as I said earlier, in superb order, and it does benefit from the full leather interior rather than the cloth and the Alcantara, which comes as standard. Just looking in the back there, we'll just look in the front in a minute. I think I've already said it does benefit from front seat heating. It's also got DAB radio. It's got a USB audio interface. It's got a full service history, and the car will come with 6 months RAC Platinum warranty and 12 months complimentary RAC membership. We'll just move round to the front, looking at the near side front wheel, sorry. And as we pan out on the front, you will see again the LED daytime running lights. Stunning car, well worth a look. Thanks for watching.